Hello everyone, it's me again. So we're back with another food review. Today we have the grilled chicken strip meal from Cracker Barrel for some reason. Funny story about this actually. On our way home from somewhere, from grocery shopping, I asked X if if he wanted something to eat. He said yeah. We decided to stop by Cracker Barrel. We really didn't want to eat there though, so we asked them if they could do a to-go thing. They said yes. I forgot what he got. I think we got the same thing actually. I have to ask him. But yeah, I got the grilled chicken strips. It came with mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, and a couple. We had a couple biscuits. I'm just not gonna bother with those since I don't think they're important. I'm gonna try the chicken now. Since just gotta get right into it, I guess. It's actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It does not taste like sadness. Tastes like content. Let me get another bite. Chicken tastes like content with a hint of being able to move on. It's pretty good. Let me see what the mashed potatoes taste like. Mashed potatoes taste like acceptance. Very nice. And the mac and cheese. Let's see what this tastes like. The mac and cheese tastes like really good childhood memories. So all in all, I'd have to give this like a 9 out of 10. Mostly because I feel like the chicken could be a little more understanding. But, I can still taste that it's going to be there for me, Other than that, everything else is perfect. I would recommend it. It's pretty good. It's very good, actually. Well, I guess that's it. That's it, I guess. I'll see you guys later. Bye.